Tired of manually typing timestamps into your Google Sheets like some kind of caveman? Yeah, me too. Today I'm going to show you how to make your spreadsheet do it automatically, because apparently we're living in the future now. This takes only 2 minutes, let's go. So here's the deal. You've got data in column A and you want timestamps to magically appear in column B whenever someone touches something in column A. Simple enough. Open your Google Sheet, go to Extensions, then AppScript. If there's any code in there already, delete it. We don't need that garbage. Now paste this bad boy in. Here's what this code does. OnEdit is a trigger that fires every time someone edits any cell in your sheet. Pretty stalkerish, but useful. Edited column equals 1 means we're watching column A. That's number 1 because Google counts columns as numbers like a psychopath. Edited row more than 1, make sure we skip the header row because timestamps in your header would be stupid. The timestamp goes into column 2, that's column B. Want to watch column C instead? Change that 1 to a 3. Want timestamps in column D? Change that 2 to a 4. It's not rocket science. Hit save, name it whatever you want. Now back in your sheet, edit something in column A, boom, timestamp appears like it's magic, except it's just code. Now your timestamps probably look ugly. Select column B, hit format, number, then date time, pick whatever format doesn't make your eyes bleed. So what's this actually good for? Task tracking, form submissions, inventory logs, literally anything where you need to know when something happened without typing it in manually. This works on shared sheets too, so you can secretly timestamp your coworkers' every move. Not creepy at all. And that's it. Code's in the description. Copy it, paste it, forget about it. Subscribe if you want more Google Sheets wizardry. Peace.